Water is the foundation of life. Think about it. In the morning, you take a shower, you brush your teeth, you shave, think about your lawn, possibly your pool. The car you take to school, it's cooled by water. Think about the false abundance of water that comes from water fountains, sinks, and toilets. As Americans, we've come to believe that water is infinite, but it's not. The city of Tulsa used an enormous amount of water, which was 33,380,197,500 gallons in 2008. This is a whopping 91.39 million gallons per day. The city of Tulsa supplies water to more than 500,000 people each year. Tulsa contains two water treatment plants, the Mohawk Treatment Plant and the A.B. Jewell Plant. Combined, they can treat a maximum of 220 million gallons per day. This is almost 30 million gallons more than the most water ever used that was recorded in Tulsa, which was on July 25, 1999. This means that the city of water and surrounding areas is conscious about preventing water shortages, but is the water they produce clean? Unfortunately, a recent test of the water in Tulsa by the New York Times showed some shocking results. The test revealed that trihalomethanes were present within the water. Trihalomethanes are cancer-causing chemicals when they are above the legal limit. Trihalomethanes were present above the legal limit in multiple tests of Tulsa tap water, conducted by the Environmental Working Group in 2008. The legal limits were proposed from the Safe Water Drinking Act, which became effective in 1974. Several other chemicals were found in the test of Tulsa water. Among these, they scored below the legal limit, but above the health limit. The health limit represents how much of a chemical can be present in the water without being harmful. The chemicals which were above the health limit in the water include uranium and lead. This means that the drinking water in Tulsa is potentially harmful.
Tulsa's waste situation, for the most part, is under control. According to the Waste Management Company, the area of Tulsa and surrounding areas create about 4,000 tons of waste per day. To facilitate this amount of waste, the Waste Management Company sends it to its quarry, recycling, and disposal facility, which is 176 acres in size. This facility turns the waste into methane gas, a renewable resource, which is sold and used by other companies in Tulsa. Despite these very successful ways for controlling the waste situations, there are some concerns. First of all, the people from Waste Management Company are aware that the landfill is eventually filling up. Therefore, there is a pressure to find other ways to dispose of the waste, including additional recycling programs, hauling the waste to a landfill farther away, or building additional space onto the existing landfill. Secondly, economic reasons prevent the waste from being disposed of properly. Most of the population of Tulsa refrains from recycling because it is more expensive than disposing of it by garbage collection. Additionally, much of the population doesn't even use waste disposal because it costs money as well. Rather, these people dump their waste publicly in streets and rivers. To fight illegal waste dumping, Oklahoma passed the Waste Management Act, which states that a person caught illegally dumping can possibly face up to a $5,000 fine and jail time. However, there is hope. With the passing of the Waste Management Act, illegal dumping has decreased substantially. Also, the Waste Management Company has been working on innovative environmental projects such as improving its landfill's greenhouse gas performance. We, the people of Tulsa, can help too. By recycling and disposing of our waste properly, we can help make Tulsa a clean place to live once again.